Welcome to Watch a Squatch. You know, normally we are out looking for tracks for Sasquatch, looking for Bigfoot all over the place. That's what this whole website's about. But take a look at that. Folks, that is the print of a dodo bird. Zoe, how big would you say that dodo bird is?
At least 12 feet.
12 feet. Put your hand down there. Give us some perspective of the size of this thing. Now, we were out doing some reconnaissance today and just stumbled upon this track. There's no question that that is the track of a dodo bird. People have thought that that thing was extinct for millions of years, but I'm telling you right now, that is a dodo bird. And it's been here on this baseball field. But there's another one. That's a huge, that stride is like 6 or 8 feet. Zoe, get out there and show us a stride of just your normal stride. Holy mackerel, take a look at that. This is some of the most amazing things I've never seen anything like this. Zoe, give us a dodo call. See if you can attract some attention. Sure that's a dodo?
I think so.
Alright. Holy mackerel. It's amazing. Let's follow the tracks and see where they go. I mean, it is absolutely phenomenal. And then they disappear right here out to the grass. And that fence is like, wait a minute. What is that? What? Oh, look. Oh my.
I can't believe this.
I know. I thought we had a real dodo.